Hello again guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel, Lutuing Pinoy Abroad with Elmer and Desiree. Today, I'll be cooking fried chicken, a very popular chicken dish around the world in many occasions yet easy to prepare. By the way guys, most of our viewers are non-subscribers, so consider giving us a follow by subscribing. It's free and it will help us continue to grow our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Now, here are our ingredients. 1 whole chicken cut in chunks, garlic granules, black pepper powder, salt, cornstarch, plain flour, water, chicken powder, paprika, and chili powder. Let's season our chicken with salt, garlic granules, and black pepper powder. Mix it until fully incorporated with our chicken. The seasoning set aside. In another bowl, let's make chicken breading by combining plain flour, corn flour, salt, garlic granules, black pepper powder, chili powder, paprika, and chicken powder. Now mix it until well combined and then set aside. In a clean wok, let's pour in some oil, enough to deep fry our chicken. While waiting for the oil to get hot, let's cover the chicken with the breading and water. Following this procedure, we'll make sure that our chicken is tender in the inside but crisp on the outside. Start cooking. We're going to cook it until golden brown in the outside but soft in the inside for about 20 minutes. Now it's ready. Just drain the excess oil. Then set aside. Let's make some gravy. We need fresh milk, black pepper powder, our chicken breading, dried oregano, salt, beef cube, and thyme. In a clean pan, let's get some oil and toast the breading. Then add the fresh milk and the rest of the seasoning and cook it until thickened the gravy. For you guys, for more videos of DIY and cooking, you may visit our YouTube channel, Facebook page, TikTok, and Instagram at Lutuing Pinoy Abroad. Also, feel free to comment, share, and suggest to improve our YouTube channel. Now, our fried chicken with the gravy is now ready. The chicken that gives joy to our family, especially for our kids. Let's try. It's crispy and juicy. Thank you very much for watching. God bless. Enjoy cooking. Happy eating. Bye-bye.